marker and they write your number. What's your number?
520.
520 on your leg, on your arm, or something like that. So you put this little wetsuit thing on, little goggles and a little swim hat, and you swim 2.5 miles, and you get out and you rip everything off, and you walk into one of those tents over there, and you just start walking, and there's people that just start doing this. You're pulling your clothes off, right?
Yeah, they're called strippers.
They're strippers, yeah, I mean, and they're stripping your clothes off, and they look at his number 520, and there's a little bag. They go, here you go, sir, as fast as they can. And they give you his little bag, says 520, and he puts on a shirt, puts on some shorts, puts on some shoes, and eats a banana. And he gets on a bicycle. And then he rides how far on your bicycle?
160.
160 miles. 160. What? 116 miles. They ride a bicycle. Then, no, don't quit. You're not ready to cuss yet. You can cuss after this. So they come back here with the bicycle after 160 miles, and they hop off and change shoes, drink some Gatorade, and run 26 miles.
Oh, don't forget the point 2.
Yeah, 26.2 miles.
It's the point 2 that's a killer.
It is at 17 hours.
You have 17 hours.
17. They have 17 hours to do this. And if they win, they get nothing. except no, they don't. There's not even cash prizes unless you're really good. Then they might get some sponsors. But is it first, second, third in every age division, female and male, that you get invited back to or not invited back, but invited to the world?
Usually first.
Just first. Oh, okay. So you get first place, and you get to go to you get to do it again. You know why? Whether it might not be, it's probably not going to be as hot as this. What do y'all think about this weather? Because it's 25 degrees above normal.
It's hot.
It's hot. I mean, tomorrow's supposed to be like 96 degrees. I know. No pun intended. So yeah. Now, before they started doing Ironman in Chattanooga, I guess it was the Chattanooga Track Club, started doing the triathlons.